guys, it's me, Penelope. I'm going to be doing a YouTube video on how to blow a bubble on slime. So basically, you just have a slime, okay? And then you have a straw. It can be plastic, but I'm pretty sure plastic works way better. And then you put it through the slime. Then you hold it down. Oops, my straw had a creak in it.
Recipient from the National Academy of Television Arts and Sciences for outstanding achievement in an evening newscast.
Some cancer centers treat tumors like yours.
Oops, that was fun.